guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nzinga Saran, and as you guys can see from the title and the thumbnail, we are going to slay this ponytail. So easy, super easy, less than 10 minutes guys. So easy, I kid you not. So what you would need is a spray bottle with water, comb so you can make your part if you want part, that is. You need some gel and some scrunchie, some hair tie, and you also need a paddle brush or whatever brush or comb that you use to detangle your hair. Also guys, I made this mistake and I don't want you guys to make it, so please detangle your hair beforehand, because this hairstyle, like, I got it done quick, but it could really be done like in a much shorter time if I had detangled my hair beforehand. You guys are gonna see I'm gonna struggle to get this thing, you know, in a ponytail, to detangle it so that there's no lump or bumps, whatever you call it. So yes guys, just detangle your hair beforehand to save you time. There is really no trick to it. Like, you guys have seen me did the slip back, like slip my hair back in the ponytail like 2 times already. If you haven't watched my videos, please go ahead and check it out. I have other ponytail videos. I am really not a fan of doing my natural hair, so when I put these videos out for you guys, I really like do it just for you guys, honestly, because I don't wear my hair out. I'm always in a wig, or if my hair is old, I have it in big plaits. I don't really do my hair. I don't really comb my hair. I don't have the time. I don't really have the time. I don't have the patience to deal with natural hair. So when I do these videos, is just for you guys. So yeah, if I do it, you guys can do it too. I promise you. If I do it, you guys can do it. If you see me do it, that means it's not hard, because if it was hard, my ass would have gave up on it. So if you guys see me do it, it is super easy and you guys can do it too. So yes guys, right here I am trying to do my edges, the little God blessed me with. Nothing had removed my edges. I don't think I need to say this in every single video, but yeah, God never made me with no edges, so the little one I have, me and try to fix it so it look appropriate, or so it give the hairstyle, you know, a more sleek look. So yeah, this is what I'm doing right here, and after I finish with that, I'm just gonna tie it up, and then I will come back when I am attaching the ponytail and explain the process to you guys. Okay. Okay guys, so the bonnet is now off and I am just going to attach my ponytail. This is a one bundle of 20-inch deep wave hair. It's human hair, it's deep wave, the texture is deep wave, and I only use a single bundle. I just take like a little amount, like the tip of it. I take a little hair from the tip of it and I just wrap it round. I wrap it around my bun that I had made my natural hair in, and I just continue wrapping. I didn't use no glue, no bobby pins, no nothing. But I suggest that if you guys are gonna be wearing this style for a few days or for a prolonged period of time, you might want to use bobby pin at least, or you can use the glue method that I showed you guys, so you don't get glue on your natural hair. But I really didn't use anything. I just used the end of the bundle, and just wrap it around. That's all I did. Then I sprayed it with some water, and I take like a small amount, and I just wrap it around. That's what I'm doing right here. Just wrap it around just to kind of disguise the ponytail, all as well as the tracks that was showing after I wrapped the ponytail. And then when I was finished, all I did was spray some got bee glue on my natural hair so I can hide like the flyaways that was showing. And then I sprayed some water on the bundle and just used my hand to fluff it. And that is all I did, guys. That's it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe and turn your post notification on. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Later.